Hello and welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube channel. My name is Jade and today we will stop an automation running on our portfolio. An automation is a set of rules we select that automatically manages our portfolio. There are a couple of reasons we may want to stop the automation from running. We cannot transfer crypto between portfolios while a rebalance is in progress under the exchange account. To prevent a rebalance from starting, we can stop the automation, transfer the desired cryptocurrencies, and then start the automation again. When we deposit our crypto into our exchange account, the added crypto will be displayed in the default portfolio on Shrimpy. If this portfolio is automated, the newly added cryptocurrency could trigger a rebalance and sell all of the crypto to the target allocation set on the default portfolio. If we do not want the cryptocurrency to be rebalanced immediately, we can stop the automation running on the default portfolio before adding funds, make any changes necessary, and then start the automation again. We can switch the running automation to update our trading strategy, so we may want to stop one automation to start another. Since the crypto market is extremely volatile, our trading strategies can change quickly. We can create multiple automations for different trading strategies and switch them at any time. To stop the automation running on a portfolio, go to the Automation tab. Select the active automation and then select Stop Automation. There will be a warning to confirm. Select Remove. The automation is no longer running on the portfolio. Go to the dashboard and the portfolio is no longer showing automated. As long as the automation is off, no rebalancing will happen for the portfolio. When we are ready, we can start the automation with our desired trading strategy on the portfolio again. If you have any questions about stopping an automation, please reach out to our support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help.